This way, if we get a car accident,
documentation.
So it'll probably be,
you know,
not my fault.
Yeah, since I don't have like any documentation of my flood model saying this was going to happen. Just driving me really insane because I had it.
Commencing downward window open. So how do they get traffic onto Highway 30 from Dayton if that on-ramp becomes flooded? If there's just a little bit of water, they just keep somebody. Oh, man.
Assuming if it gets more than like a half an inch deep. Well, I mean, I don't know what else you can do.
They stand there with a ruler. Wait.
Well, I mean, you let it get, it's not really moving, so you may.
There's a DOT vehicle.
Yeah, I wonder if they're getting ready to do something.
Hopefully.
This is the DOT.
How far south do we have to go before we can get on off-ramp, Scott?
9 miles.
9 miles?
9?
Yep.
Really?
Yep. All the way down. It's about, maybe about 8 actually, but it's.
That's just a few minutes.
It's between 8 and 9 miles from Ames to Huxley. I gotta get it.
Waves in this.
There's like a road out there to that guy's house. Hopefully they're all hunkered down. There's another garbage pile that waits the road. People's house out there on the island.
I think there's a road there.
Well, there is, but nothing for a while.
No, wait, it's just above water.
Well, I think I'm by the house.
Oh, that one.
Yeah, this is kind of scary.
Ding, 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 ding.
The train just like comes out of the water. It lifts them out of the water.
It's the ghost train.
Color commentary by Scott Lincoln.
No, I was thinking like the tracks went into the water. That wasn't just comes out of the
I'm going to pay a little more attention to the road this time.
Yeah, we don't really want to go into the drink. That might be kind of hard to get out
What
of.
if it was like 10 feet drop on each side?
Man,
We go straight to the bottom.
like, how is this road even here? Which kind of makes me scared to say that.
bet it's not windy so you get water lapping over the road.
Yes, Justin, we want water lapping over the road.
I think the bridge is still holding up.
Whoosh.
Crack.
Oh, conveniently placed turnaround spot.
Do we want to stop here and walk, like down over to the bridge?
Yeah.
No?
Got to drive now.
Turn around, don't drown.
As they drive forward.
They're backing up. Vehicles over the left there, blocking out the road now.
Yeah, you're right.
This is where we couldn't tell last night if the road was covered over there. This is like basically eye level.